Hey friends, welcome to Live to the Fullest. I'm going to share with you a very useful and effective pain balm that also doubles up as a sleep balm. It is going to come in handy if you get a tension headache, migraine headache, or get any kind of aches and pains anywhere else in the body. And it is also going to release your stress and help you sleep better. So it requires very few ingredients and it's all natural. So this video is going to be very interesting as I am going to show you how to easily make this 2-in-1 balm. So make sure that you stick around with me till the end of this video, and if you like this video then please don't forget to subscribe, like and share and hit that notification bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first I'm going to make the roll-on stick version of this 2-in-1 pain cum sleep balm here. For this you would require a glass roll-on container like this with a steel roller ball head like this. You can easily find such containers online. You will also require peppermint essential oil and lavender essential oil. I have taken these two are from very different brands, but both are pure and therapeutic grade. I recommend using only pure essential oils and not anything that contains any kind of solvents or perfume, as essential oils or EOs can be very potent and helpful in their pure form, but they can also be harmful if they are not pure. So do your research please and get as pure as possible when buying essential oils. You will also require, as this is a 10 ml container here, you'll also require 10 ml of pure cold pressed virgin coconut oil. So it's very easy to make. I'm just going to take this cap off. Pour some amount of coconut oil first. Essential oils they are highly volatile and they evaporate into the air very easily. So first I'm pouring a little bit of coconut oil, and then I'm going to put 15 drops of peppermint oil. 15 drops. There's my essential oil. Now to this I'm going to add 12 drops of lavender essential oil. I'm going to do it off camera because it's taking too long. Now I'm going to fill this container till this mark with pure virgin coconut oil. Till here only, not till the tip, because this roller ball thing has to go in. So I have filled this bottle till the brim here, and I'm now just gonna cap it on with this roller ball. It fixes easily, and on top of that I'm just gonna cap it on, mix it lightly, and it's all done. It's that easy. You just put it on any pressure points or acupuncture points, on your temples, on your neck, behind the ears. It works great as pain balm, and when you're not feeling sleepy also you can use it as a sleep balm. I'm also going to show you in another form like this roll on normal balm form of this very same pain and sleep balm. It will look like this. Now let's go ahead and make this version as well. It's also very easy to make. Now we are going to make the regular roll-on balm version of this 2-in-1 balm, and for this we are going to require the very same two essential oils, peppermint essential oil and lavender essential oil, and for the base we are going to require shea butter. I am using unrefined pure shea butter that you can easily buy online as well. For this you need to take half a teaspoon of shea butter and melt it using a double boiler method, or you can microwave as well. What I did was simply microwave it for 30 seconds and I got a consistency like this, a pouring consistency. But you have to ensure that it is not too hot. Essential oils do not degrade when they are freezed, but it can get affected when they are heated. So make sure that you do not mix the essential oils into the melted shea butter when the shea butter is too hot. So just make sure it comes quite in room temperature before mixing the oils. Now I'm going to mix the oils, and I have with me an empty lip balm container like that, and anything empty that you have. And this is a 5-gram container, so I am going to use half the amount of essential oils that I used in the roll-on stick. So only 6 drops of peppermint essential oil. Sorry, 8 drops of peppermint essential oil and 6 drops of lavender essential oil. So there goes 6 drops. Anything else, you just mix it well, like so. This is the pouring consistency. And simply pour it in the empty lip balm container, like so, till it's full. And cap it on. Just be very careful not to tip it. Keep it straight and cap it on. And you're gonna keep it immediately into the freezer. I'm gonna keep it inside the refrigerator till it solidifies. Now after this freezes, it's going to become something like this, which you can easily apply anywhere on your forehead or any other part of your body. So that's it. These are the 2 versions of the very same 2-in-1 balm in 2 ways. One roll-on stick version, one regular roll-on balm version. So that's all, friends. That's how you can make this 2-in-1 pain cum sleep balm easily at home with very few all natural ingredients. You can use any carrier oils of your choice, and just please make sure that all the ingredients that you're using are pure and natural. So that's all for today. Take care of yourself, stay happy, stay healthy, and on this note, this is your friend Mona Lisa saying bye-bye.